Anambra State Deputy Governor Dr. Ibezim has called on Anambra to support Flagbearers of the All Progressives Grand Alliance APGA in the forthcoming general elections for all-round development of the state. The Deputy Governor made the call during a special Thanksgiving Mass at Immaculate Heart of Mary Parish Figure, Onitsha, marking the official flag-off of the member representing Onitsha North Constituency 2 at the State House of Assembly and APGA flag bearer for the House of Representatives Onitsha North and South Federal Constituency. Honorable Edward Ibezim, Government House correspondent Emmanuel Okonkwo tells us more.
Deputy Governor Ibezim, who reiterated the commitment of APGA government, especially under Professor Chukwuma Soludo administration, to bring positive transformation in the state, emphasized on the need for people of the state to vote wisely in the forthcoming elections. Dr. Ibezim asked the Anambra to support the present administration through prompt payment of their taxes and levies to enable the government actualize its visions for the state. Speaking, Honorable Ibezim, while expressing his readiness to serve people of Onitsha North and South wholeheartedly and selflessly, said he will maintain the people-oriented leadership that APGA stands for.
Right now, can I send the army that liver? Let them go and represent us in Abuja. All the very important.
Earlier in a sermon, the parish priest of Immaculate Heart of Mary, Onitsha, Reverend Father Donatus Umehi, urged Christians to always portray Christ in their actions and relationship with others, and as well be their brother's keeper in order to be God's favorites. He charged leaders at all levels to see leadership positions as an opportunity to serve instead of an avenue to enrich themselves through embezzlement of public funds, an act, he said, attracts the wrath of God. From Immaculate Heart of Mary, Onitsha, I am Emmanuel Okonkwo, reporting for ABS News.